The world of entertainment and martial arts is mourning the loss of one of its greatest icons, Chuck Norris. The legendary actor, martial arts world champion, and beloved star of Walker, Texas Ranger, has passed away at the age of 86. He was hospitalized in Hawaii on Thursday and died peacefully the following morning, surrounded by his family. In a heartfelt statement, his family confirmed the news of his death, stating, "To the world, he was a martial artist, actor, and a symbol of strength. To us, he was a devoted husband, a loving father and grandfather, an incredible brother, and the heart of our family. He lived his life with faith, purpose, and unwavering commitment to the people he loved." The family requested privacy regarding the specific circumstances of his passing. The news came as a shock to those close to him. Just days before his death, Norris had been seen in high spirits. A source revealed that he had been working out and was in an upbeat, jovial mood. Earlier in March, he had celebrated his 86th birthday by posting a video of himself boxing with a sparring partner, a testament to his lifelong dedication to fitness and martial arts. Born Carlos Ray Norris on March 10, 1940, in Oklahoma, Chuck Norris grew up in humble circumstances before finding his calling in martial arts while serving in the United States Air Force. He went on to become a world renowned martial artist, earning black belts in multiple disciplines and founding his own style, Chun Kuk Do. His transition to Hollywood came in the early 1970s, and his career skyrocketed when he appeared as Bruce Lee's formidable opponent in the 1972 martial arts classic, The Way of the Dragon. The role established him as a credible on screen fighter and opened the doors to a string of hugely successful action films throughout the 1970s and 1980s, including Missing in Action, Delta Force, and Code of Silence. In 1993, Norris took on the role that would define his legacy for an entirely new generation, Cordell Walker in the CBS drama Walker, Texas Ranger. The show ran for an impressive 8 seasons until 2001 and became a cultural phenomenon, earning Norris a dedicated global fan base that adored his portrayal of a tough but fair Texas Ranger who always stood up for justice. Beyond his career, Chuck Norris became a pop culture phenomenon in his own right, with countless jokes and memes celebrating his larger than life persona. But behind the legend was a man of deep faith, strong values, and genuine love for his family and country. He is survived by his 5 children and wife. Chuck Norris was more than an actor. He was a symbol of toughness, determination, and integrity. The world has lost a true legend, but his legacy will live on forever. Chuck Norris leaves behind a world that is undeniably smaller without him. For decades, he was more than just a name on a movie poster. He was a reminder that grit, discipline, and hard work could take a person from nothing to everything. Children grew up wanting to be him, adults admired him, and even those who never watched a single episode of Walker Texas Ranger knew exactly who he was. That kind of cultural reach is rare, and it does not fade with death. The roundhouse kicks, the one liners, the unmistakable swagger, they belong to history now. But more than any of that, the man behind the legend, a faithful husband and a proud father, a devoted American, is what his family will carry forward. The world may have lost Chuck Norris, but everything he stood for lives on in every person he ever inspired to get back up when life knocked them down.